If you've lost access to your Steam account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Steam support website. Go to the official Steam support website. Here, you will find options related to account recovery and support. Step 2. Select I can't access my account. On the Steam support page, click on the option that states I can't access my account. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Identify your account. You will need to provide your account information, such as your account name or the email address linked to your account. This helps Steam identify your account for recovery. Step 4. Choose a recovery method. Since you cannot receive verification codes, select the option that allows you to recover your account through other means, such as answering security questions or using backup codes if you have them. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to recover your Steam account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.